What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another YouTube video. Mike, full-time media seller here, 99% Amazon, 1% over on the Fleabay. Today is a thrifting video. We are outside of one of my Goodwills, and the topic today is, listen, all of you eBay-only sellers, just come on over to Amazon, right? It's like, oh man, like the Boogeyman, he's gonna come get you. Is the Boogeyman in my back seat? No, it's just Lowe's boxes. I know it's like, you hear a lot of bad things like, oh, Amazon can just ban your account. Well, so can eBay, and you know, you can be driving and one day, you know, a tractor trailer slams into the car and that's it for you anyway. So that's like a limited belief that, oh, I'm scared to sell on Amazon because I might get banned. Well, listen, we'll cover it after we're done here in the thrift store. If you're interested in being around non-banned Amazon members, join the YouTube channel, $2.99, cheaper than a Happy Meal. You guys will see my Scoutly screen. We'll go into here. This place is hit or miss. They remodeled all of them, like I've been saying, and the quality has been kind of crappy because I guess since they remodeled, they're not fully sending the stores items yet. So who knows what we'll get out of here. You got to get in the thrift stores. It's the only way you're going to find things, and then you got to list them. I'm shutting up. Let's go. We are back from the Greedy Will. I should get a bag instead of Goodwill that says Greedy Will, and I should take it into every Greedy Will I go into. It was, meh. You know, what are you gonna do, right? You know, maybe the Boogeyman was in there before me and he got everything, the scanner Boogeyman. We did get some decent stuff here though. Let me get my screen recording and we will go over it. We did get a book here, Pacific Rim. This is, I've never seen the movies. I think the movies are pretty, the idea of the movies are pretty cool, but I think the actual movies get like bad reviews. So, and listen, there's no way I'm talking Deb into watching the Pacific Rim. I just don't think it's gonna happen. Not her cup of tea. It's really not mine either. So let me get my screen recorded. We paid $3.99. That's expensive. Goodwill's getting greedier and greedier. But what are you gonna do? You rely on thrift stores, they raise the prices, you got to deal with it. So this will make you close to $11 after $4, $7. It sells pretty frequently. One thing with this here, got the library stuff on the back. All I do is cover this up with a blank 30 up label. It's not that serious. Don't get carried away like, oh my God, this book sucks now, all right? Like, no, you can still sell this as good. I've sold hundreds, if not thousands, of old library stuff. So that was the book we got. We did get one other book, but it was nothing to write home about. So next up, we got DVD. $4.99. The War of 1812. The History Channel presents. This is a little 2-disc set here. That's probably why they were being greedy at $4.99. If we look here, $15.50 after fees FBA. This does sell pretty frequently as well, so we'll make $10. Name of the game. If I told you you could trade a $5 bill for a $10 bill and you get your $5 back, you would do it all day long. That's the reality of selling on Amazon. That's the reality of selling media on Amazon. So I got one more I want to show you. John Wayne. Old school Warner Brothers, so you know, hey, I better check this out. Anything that's got the old school Western look like this one, you should be scanning. We paid $3 whole for this, $11 after fees, so $8 going into your pocket. All you gotta do is slap a label on this, throw it in a box, get rid of it. Simple as that. Those are the 3 I wanted to show you. I maybe got like 4 other items, but like I said, it wasn't that exciting in there. So on the topic of the Boogeyman, right? People get so scared of Amazon, like, oh my God, I can get banned, right? Like, oh my God, is somebody around that corner right now? What if the Boogeyman's around that corner right now waiting for me, right? I'm not going to look right now because he might be, right? That's the reality of having a reselling business. That's the reality of having any job in the world. They can come in and lay you off at any time. They can come in and fire you at any time. It's the same with these platforms. If you think you are safe because of X, Y, and Z,
well, Mike, I've been a little goody two-shoe on eBay for 35 years. They would never get rid of me.
Go ahead. List some stuff you shouldn't list and watch how fast eBay drops you like a bad habit. And when you try calling support, hello? Hi, yes. Yeah. Oh, you know me. Yeah, I've been selling for 35 years. What? You don't want to speak to me. I'm banned. You can't give me any more information. But 35... Dial tone. They don't care about it. Stop being scared about what might happen, right? You're only hindering yourself from growth. If I never would have started Amazon, I never would have the storage unit behind me. I would never have this 2008 sunroof, heated seats, Nissan Altima as my ride. I mean, if that doesn't convince you, right? I mean, what else can? I have nothing else for you, right? Don't be scared about, I might get banned. I might take the wrong step. The Boogeyman might be around the corner. There's always risk in every business. We can mitigate them. And listen, if the day comes, we cross over another bridge and we do something else. So that's gonna do it for the video. Deb got me this super dope, I've worn this in the videos, I haven't talked about it. Deb got me this super dope Halloween hoodie off of Etsy. I needed a new one, but like now I got this new one and I don't want to wear it when I'm doing like nasty, dirty work because then it's like I ruin it. Like my gray one's all nasty and beat up. I've had it for years. So now she got me this nice new one. I know, right? She's too nice to me. But that's going to do it for the video. I appreciate you watching. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. And stay tuned for more used book videos. Bye-bye.